Master the critical skill of how to read and analyze CNA questions to boost your understanding and improve your score on the certification exam. Understanding how to read and analyze CNA exam questions is essential for performing well on the CNA certification exam. The ability to quickly comprehend the question, identify key information, and analyze the options will enable you to answer questions more accurately and efficiently. This lesson is designed to provide you with the tools and strategies to confidently approach both multiple-choice and scenario-based questions in the written exam. Types of questions on the CNA exam. The CNA exam primarily consists of multiple-choice questions, but there may also be scenario-based questions. Understanding the format of these questions will help you approach them effectively. Multiple-choice questions, standard format. Each multiple-choice question on the CNA written exam will have a question, or STEM, and 4 possible answer choices, A, B, C, D. Only one answer is correct. Objective focus. These questions are designed to test your understanding of nursing concepts, patient care techniques, and safety protocols. Scenario-based questions. Real-life scenarios. Some questions may present a real-world situation or patient care scenario and ask you how you would respond. These questions test your ability to apply knowledge in practical situations. Decision-making. You will need to analyze the scenario and select the best course of action based on your understanding of the appropriate protocols. How to break down complex questions. Some questions on the CNA exam may appear complex or intimidating at first glance. However, with the right approach, you can break down these questions into manageable parts. Identify the key information. Highlight keywords. When reading the question, identify keywords that define the core of the question. These keywords could include verbs like assist, monitor, or evaluate, as well as patient-specific details like elderly, post-surgery, or critical. Focus on action words. Pay attention to the action words in the question. These words tell you what is expected of you. For example, what should the CNA do first? Or, which of the following is the most appropriate action? Ignore extra details. While reading the question, be cautious of irrelevant details that may be used to distract you. Focus on what the question is specifically asking. Analyze the question's context. Determine the situation. In scenario-based questions, determine whether the question is asking you to prioritize a certain action or whether it's testing your knowledge of a process. Consider patient safety. Patient safety and well-being should always be your first consideration when analyzing the question. Ensure your answer prioritizes safety protocols, patient rights, and ethical practices. Identifying keywords in CNA questions. Identifying keywords is one of the most important skills when reading CNA exam questions. Here are some key terms to look for. Action verbs. Action verbs tell you what you need to do. Common action verbs in CNA exam questions include assist, monitor, identify, evaluate, report, provide. These verbs will help guide your answer selection by clarifying what action needs to be taken. Descriptive words and phrases. Descriptive terms like elderly, immunocompromised, or post-operative help you understand the context of the question. For example, a question involving an elderly patient may require different considerations than a question about a young adult. First, or most important, many CNA exam questions use phrases like, "What should be done first?" or "What is the most important action?" These questions require you to prioritize actions and make decisions based on importance and urgency. Elimination techniques for multiple-choice questions. If you're unsure about an answer, using elimination strategies can significantly improve your chances of selecting the correct answer. Here's how. Eliminate clearly wrong answers. Look for outliers. Often, one answer choice will stand out as clearly incorrect. This could be a choice that's too extreme, irrelevant, or not supported by your knowledge of CNA practices. Consider the context. Eliminate answers that do not match the context or the action required by the question. Narrow down choices. 2 correct answers. If you are left with 2 answer choices that seem reasonable, carefully compare the remaining options. Consider which answer is more in line with patient safety, best practices, and nursing standards. Use prior knowledge. Draw upon your knowledge of CNA procedures, ethics, and safety protocols to make an informed decision between 2 remaining answers. Choose the best answer. When faced with similar answer choices, select the answer that best addresses patient care needs or follows standard medical practice. Often, the best answer is the one that demonstrates the most comprehensive, safe, and efficient approach. Summary of key concepts. Here are the topics and key points. Question types. The exam includes multiple choice and scenario-based questions that test practical knowledge. Breaking down complex questions. Focus on keywords and action words in the question to understand what is being asked. Elimination techniques. Eliminate incorrect answers and narrow down to the best choice using your knowledge. Prioritize patient safety. In all questions, patient safety and well-being should be the primary concern. Conclusion and recap. In this lesson, we discussed effective strategies for reading and analyzing CNA exam questions, including how to identify key information, break down complex questions, and use elimination techniques. By practicing these skills, you'll be better equipped to approach the CNA written exam with confidence and accuracy.